Number 5. SportDog brand, Gonia Whistle. Hunting dog training whistle. With easy-to-blow design, for training or field use. The Gonia Special is handcrafted and used to train more field champions than any other whistle. The whistle features a lower-pitched sound that carries farther, and an easy-to-blow design for effective communication while training or in the field. Lower pitch with P, trill sound carries farther. Excellent for hunting and training. Number 4. Acme Dog Whistle. High pitch. Quiet to the user. Preferred by spaniel owners, but an excellent all-round dog whistle. This whistle is recommended for both use in town and the countryside. Orange. Number 3. Talon Star Dog Whistle. With lanyard double tubes and K-chain 2-pack security. Survival whistle for training dog. Ultrasonic dog whistle. Different dogs respond to different frequencies. This dog training whistle has a nut and screw that would adjust the frequency when turned. Notice your dog's reaction to each setting until your dog exhibits the strongest reaction. Number 2. Mack and Mercie Dog Training Whistle. With organic dog trainer, treats cheddar easy to teach. Dog training whistle, ultrasonic whistle stop, dog barking, is adjustable for different whistle pitches for different tasks. Safety locking nut, allows you to change the pitch. You can retighten the nut so you won't lose the frequency arm. This ensures you will maintain that level of sound that gets your dog's attention. Outer black sleeve, fits tightly over the adjusting frequency arm to protect the whistle. Number 1. C-Meduo Ultrasonic Dog Whistles. Dog whistle to stop barking. Adjustable pitch ultrasonic dog training whistle. Silent bar control. Safe dog whistle to stop barking. Made of harmless material, C-Meduo Ultrasonic Dog Whistle can help to stop your dog's useless barking without any damage to their hearing. You can use this silent bar control whistle for dogs training without any health concerns. Anti-loss dog whistle. This dog whistle comes with new dual anti-loss features on account of the special lock, nut and free lanyard.